Today, as promised, we'll review a complete trend-following strategy built around a unique auto trendline breakout indicator. You'll learn how to identify and trade market trends using this powerful approach. As this is a trend-following strategy, we'll use the Best Cloud All MA by David as our primary trend filter. This indicator helps us ensure we're trading in the direction of the overall market momentum. The Best Cloud All MA is a versatile trading view indicator that creates a dynamic cloud formation using two moving averages. Its flexibility comes from supporting multiple moving average types, like EMA, SMA, VWMA, and Hull MA. The indicator generates a cloud between two moving averages, turning green when the faster MA crosses above the slower MA, bullish momentum, and red when the faster MA drops below the slower MA, bearish conditions. Price bars can also change color to reflect the current trend direction. For quick trend identification, it places green triangles below the price during bullish crossovers and red triangles above the price during bearish crossovers. Its primary strength is adaptability. This indicator will ensure we only take trades that align with the broader market trend, reducing the risk of counter-trend trading. Now, our main strategy indicator is unique and stands apart from traditional auto trendline indicators available on TradingView. Despite its unconventional approach, it proves highly effective in identifying valid trendline breaks, confirmed by the RSI. This indicator is designed to help traders identify potential breakout points using pivot-based trend lines on the relative strength index, similar to the way trend lines are used on price charts. Applying them to the RSI can provide valuable insights into market direction and momentum. This indicator operates using a pivot-based system that identifies swing highs and lows on the RSI in real time. It then generates trend lines based on these pivots. The breakout alerts provided by this tool are intended to serve as additional confluence for traders rather than standalone trading signals. While breakouts are detected whenever the price crosses these trend lines, no additional conditions are applied to refine the alerts, allowing the trader to interpret them in the context of other analysis tools. A breakout is confirmed if the RSI moves above or below the trend line by a defined threshold, which can be adjusted according to your preferences. Repainting can be enabled for immediate alerts, or it can be turned off, with alerts generated only after a candle has closed. It's called RSI Trendlines, with Breakouts by Hoan Getty. Quick one. Big update. QR Pro 2.2 is live. Auto support and resistance, range filter, swing stops, real-time P and L. Link in the description. Let me show you how we'll use these two indicators together to identify and trade market trends. Use the exact indicator settings shown on screen. While you can adjust these settings to suit your trading style, make sure to thoroughly backtest the strategy before entering any positions. For long trades, first confirm the bullish trend using the green cloud, which indicates that the overall market momentum is upward. Then, wait for the RSI Trendline Breakout indicator to signal a breakout in the direction of the prevailing trend. For short trades, apply the same logic in reverse. Look for the red ribbon on the Best Cloud All MA, which signals a bearish trend, and wait for the RSI Trendline Breakout to confirm the downward momentum. We recommend using a fixed risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 or 1 to 2 to ensure potential profits outweigh potential losses. This means that for every dollar risked, you're targeting $1.5 to $2 in profit. Consider placing stop losses just beyond key support or resistance levels, and explore using trailing stops to protect accumulated profits during strong trend moves. Did you find this strategy helpful? While you're here, check out another powerful setup that combines volume boxes with a unique moving average.